Hey YouTube, Thugtopia here, coming at you with another video. We're gonna be replacing that light, and we're gonna be using these factory switches that came on the, this new auxiliary switch. So to my understanding, the manual isn't too clear, but those little gray fittings right there, there goes Billy. Those little gray fittings right there are just a power source, and then you just hook that up to your light. But these instructions that come with the paper in there isn't very clear, so I'm just gonna test this out. I got this kind of wired up here for a test, and I'm gonna test it out. I'll get back to you guys in a second. My power hooked up there. I got a fuse, and it's going to my light. I have it grounded to this bolt here on the fender. I'm just gonna test this out right now. So I'm gonna go into the cab. I have it hooked up to auxiliary number 1. I'm gonna push that. I'm gonna come out here, and that bitch is working. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this old piece of shit filled up with water here. I'm gonna hook it all up, have it looking like my old truck, and yeah, make it look pretty. And I'll show you guys once that's done. All right, guys, so I'm back now. I finished hooking everything up. You can look closely on there. You can see that number 1 there. That corresponds to the auxiliary button in the dash. So that's just your power. And then down there, following this wire, I have an inline fuse there. I have it coming to the back to the lights, and you have to connect both of these lights together and have the power come into that one splice there. So I'm gonna show you guys how this works. I have it hooked up to auxiliary 1, push that, and as you guys can see, they're on. So yeah, it works. And if you go into the cab here, and you go to commercial settings, so from the dealer it's always going to be 000. You can go to auxiliary switches. I have it to 1, and you can change the power source, so I could have it changed to the ignition instead of the battery, so then it'll only work when the truck is on. Momentary. And then I'd have to hold it in order for that to work, so I don't want that. I'm gonna do latching. And I'm gonna leave that on the battery. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that, you can change that. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys were able to learn something from this. Got some information for when you guys put whatever lights on your truck. As I said before, the instructions that come in this bag and the YouTube video For me at least, it wasn't too clear, but you guys could probably be smarter, so if that's the case, this video is probably useless. So this is Thugtopia. Remember to like and subscribe, and hopefully you guys had some use for this video. So